All right, you ready, guys?
Let's do it.
It's our last big hike before tomorrow. We're almost to base camp, guys.
This time tomorrow.
Welcome to day 9 of Everest Base Camp Trek. Spirits are high today and we are heading to Lubuche. We're actually just talking about how our bags kind of feel like nothing on our backs now because our bodies are just so used to it. But I think we have about a 2.5 hour trek before we stop for lunch. We're getting a little bit later start than usual today because 1, it's like way too cold to be trekking without the sun out, and 2, it's not that long of a trek today, so we don't want to get there too early, sit in the cold. So we're gonna take our time.
Just stopped and took some layers off. It's like 20 minutes into walking. It just gets hot quick in the sun and when you're moving uphill. But I've just been starting in shorts and like leggings every day. But I actually have my hat on still, so you know it's a little bit cold.
I really like the yaks with the really furry ones.
Yeah, and the best part of this is you can just fill up water right as you're walking. I think we're getting pretty close to our lunchtime tea break, but right now we can see a lake where we're hiking and it's super pretty. The color of the water is crazy too. I don't think you'll be able to see it on this camera though.
Still hiking. We haven't made it to Thukla yet. That's where we're supposed to get some like tea or lunch. Not sure where it is, but we don't have too much longer to go.
Okay.
I finally see the tiny town. It is literally tiny. So yeah, we've heard that in Lubuche they can actually run out of tea houses. So a little bit worried about that, but we're gonna stop for a quick tea break and then finish our last like hour hike.
Past this little town that we are stopping at for tea is, you can see your final uphill climb and it looks steep. Doesn't look like it's gonna be any fun. Right behind me is actually a glacier and it's all covered in rock. There's a lot of fresh water running down, so we're probably gonna fill up and drink some fresh glacier water. Made it to our spot for lunch. We have our tea. How's your lunch, Maddie?
Mediocre. It's not, honestly not very good, but it's big, it's filling, so.
Yeah, we need the energy before we have like another 300-meter elevation gain. We're all pretty tired today, but we're close to the end. All right, we're leaving our lunch spot. It is quite a bit chillier out.
The sun keeps going in and out, so
Yeah.
it's cold.
Here we go. This is the big altitude gain for the day.
Or the second one.
The second one, but yeah, the last one of the day, I guess. How do you feel?
So tiring. The legs feel so heavy now.
We're at the top of our ascend. We just made it to a memorial that's up here that is put on for all the people who have lost their lives, not only hiking to Everest, but the surrounding mountains as well. It's a really interesting area, actually. We have maybe about 30 minutes left to get to Lubuche.
We only have like 1 mile left. I don't know what that is in kilometers, but it's like 60 more meters of elevation gain. Not terrible. We're almost there.
Almost there.
All right, we have like 15 minutes left at most. No more elevation to gain. We can't wait to be there. All right, you ready, guys? Woo!
Do it.
This is our last big hike before tomorrow. We're almost to base camp, guys.
This time tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I see a building.
It's a lot for a person to, like,
Maddie's gonna be so happy. Our backs are pretty sore today. After 600 meters of elevation gain.
We finally see Le Boucher. I can hardly wait. Can hardly wait to go pee and to just sit. Get this backpack off my back. It's starting to hurt. I take back what I said this morning about it not feeling like anything. It feels like a lot.
We'll be in base camp tomorrow. So exciting. We have finally made it to our tea house for the night. Tonight we'll be sleeping just below 5,000 meters, so it's gonna get cold. But we're pretty exhausted today.
And so we're ready to hit the hay.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow for the most exciting day of this. Finally make it to base camp. So we'll see you tomorrow.